go ahead and unmute yourself. My name is Dr. Harry Benjamin, streaming from Houston, Texas, by way of planet Earth. Very grateful and excited to be here. Anyone else wants to give us your name or where you're streaming from?
Hey, excellent morning, excellent night. Wherever you are around the globe, my name is Mark Wilson, and I'm streaming in from the beautiful Twin Island Republic of Trinidad and Tobago, presently at the Pigeon Point beach location.
Nice to have you on the call, sir. Welcome, Mark, my friend from Trinidad, and particularly the island of Tobago in the Twin Island Republic. Very excited that you're here. All right, ladies and gentlemen, we're going to dive right in to the conversation. I realize most of us on here are traders, and of course, in the course of this conversation, some guests may join us. But I started off, in Jamaica. I became a medical doctor while being there, and while doing that, we were able to literally build an automobile business that allowed for us to really do well. I started off as a medical doctor as well. That's one of my careers that I've been through. And I later on got into network marketing. I've been in network marketing now for, I've been in network marketing now for about 13 years. And I'm, an advocate for the industry. Great industry has helped my family tremendously. 3 years ago, I learned about Xtreamfx Global Academy. It was a different name at the time, and then it changed to Xtream. We had the opportunity to join up. I joined as an affiliate. I started marketing the Xtream community to people. And as people started to get involved, I started earning commissions. I started a little over $100 at the time. Today, you can start with a $399 or $168 as an affiliate, and then start earning commissions. You could earn $500 a month, $1,000, $2,000, $5,000, $10, $20, $50, $100. You could earn a lot of money as an affiliate. But what I quickly learned is that those people who took the education very seriously, those people who took trading very seriously, were able to earn way more money than individuals who were just focusing only on the affiliate side. So I decided to balance my time and energy on both sides. And today I can say that I could trade. Now, what makes trading easier for us right now is a special technology called the safe to trade technology, which I want to get right into. And, just paying attention to the fact that most of you are on here, either you have the product or you're going to get the product, right? I don't think Fina and Frank have it as yet, but I know James does. So here's how powerful this is. It is very, very powerful, right? And just to be clear, Frank, have you ever traded before? Fina, have you ever traded before? Frank, Fina?
Sorry, yes, I have.
Oh, you have, Fina. Yeah. Awesome. What about you, Frank?
Yes, I've traded before, but doctor, I'm driving at the moment.
You've traded before, but what?
I'm driving at the moment, just to let you know.
Oh, you're driving, I got that. All right, so here's the thing about this technology. It is a very simple, easy to use color-coded technology. And if you just simply follow the colors and the rules of how the system works, you'll be able to benefit greatly. There are some rules on how this works. I want to emphasize that so that we recognize that there are rules according to how the system works, okay? There's some specific rules that you'll have to use if you're gonna do well with the system. All right, so what are the rules? The first thing is that we look for colors. We look for colors to line up. In this case, we're looking at an asset called S&P 500. When you purchase this technology, you set it up on your laptop, and you confirm your MetaTrader 4 is going to look like this, and then you're going to go to our training with the developer. All right, so once that's set up. All right, so here we are, we're looking at this market. Let's say we're right here at the market right now. This is on the left, the 5-minute chart, on the right is the 1-minute chart. So let's say, at this moment, as we're looking at this, the red arrow pops up on the screen. We can see that the candles are above the moving average. So those are the first two things that I've identified. And then you wait for everything down here, these 5 indicators. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5.
Excuse me, doctor.
Yes, go ahead.
Are you sharing your screen? You can't see anything?
Okay. James, can you see my screen, Frank?
Yes, I can see your screen.
All right, so Fina,
Yes.
what may have happened is that slide, are you on a phone or a laptop?
Laptop.
I'm on the phone.
You have to click on the Zoom because maybe you minimize the Zoom.
Okay, then. Thank you.
Maybe, yeah, I think that, okay, all right. Do you see it now?
Not yet. I will.
All right, yeah, I think you may have minimized the Zoom. If you look, if you look in like a corner of the screen, you will see like a little icon where you could click on arrow to pop it out. Or you may have to just go to the Zoom icon on your laptop and just double click it and it should bring it up.
Or maybe you may log out and log in again.
Yeah, you could try that as well.
Okay,
And you should be able to see it. All right. Okay, so here's the simplicity of identifying a trade. This is a very simple, easy to use system. It's user friendly. And if you follow the rules, ladies and gentlemen, you can make money. For example, if you're, once you, and I want somebody to participate with me, and that will make the conversation flow better. I see we have a Princess online. Welcome, Princess. Princess, have you ever traded before? If you don't mind unmuting and telling me where you're streaming from. Princess? Okay, if you can. Princess, I would love for you to be my co-pilot on this call. You know, I know you're new to the call as being your first time or so, but if you don't mind, you could come off mute and just say hello and just let us know where you're calling from. And if you don't mind, you know, just work with me here, just back and forth, nothing hard, nothing difficult, just looking at some colors and saying yes or no. Can you hear me, Princess? Your line is muted. Just in case you're trying to speak, you'll have to unmute yourself. All right. Okay, thank you. Hopefully Princess can join us. If not, that's okay. I see someone on the line. You put 425-409-7794 as your name. If you could unmute and tell me your name, that would be great. Your name on the list has numbers instead of a name. You just joined the Zoom. Do you mind sharing your name or where you're streaming from? Your line is now unmuted. And your name has numbers on there.
Something happened at our school because I was taking bus to pick him up.
All right. And so I'm gonna have to end early because I have to go and get my son at school because of something with the bus. But ladies and gentlemen, a really great time, really great time that we're having with this technology, right? Really great time. All right, so in simple terms, how do you identify a winning trade? Over here, where we have everything green, all right? Everything here where these colors are going up, and then these candlesticks are going down, coming down. And then once that happens, what that does is causes right here to turn from green to red. Now, once this turns to red, what this means is that you and I have an opportunity to enter what's called a buy trade, okay? A buy trade. With that happening, you'd be able to put an order in here, literally by putting a line here, and then you're gonna go for 1, 2, 3 pips as profit. And you could clearly see that the trade won. So we do this over and over again. You know, that's the simplicity of identifying a trade. We have to follow some rules, right? You're gonna have a video to watch that the developer will be giving you, you know, after the training is over. But you're pretty much gonna watch the training, and as you watch the training, you're gonna be able to put these trades in. Here's a sell opportunity, red, and then this part turns green, right? If somebody could come off mute and just confirm with me that you could see this little section here showing green on the left, right here, just showing green, okay? So red, green, red. So as the candles push up, right? As the candles push up, looking like the market is going to buy, we can go ahead and confirm that we can do a sell. So you could go ahead and put in your sell stop line here. What is a sell stop? It is an order that you give to your broker to let your broker know that in case these candles turn around and come down, it will open the trade for you and put you in the trade. And then you go down right down below here and put in a line for the profit, right? And let's slide over and see what happens. You could see that the trade won, okay? So we can do this over and over again, ladies and gentlemen. Now, this is one way of using the system, meaning that you'd sit on a particular chart and look for trades. One of the things I love about this particular system is that you could do what are called 4-hour trades, right? 4-hour trades or 1-hour trades or even 1-day trades. Now, when you do a daily trade, for example, here, you put in a trade as a daily trade, this should be going in, right, as a daily trade. You'd be able to come in here and take this trade. This is 477 pips, which means that if you traded $1 per pip, right, that's $477, right? And you'd earn $477 if it's $1 per pip. And then if it's $10 per pip, that's $4,700. And if it's $100 per pip, that's $47,000. Now, how does these day trades work? These trades work where you put in these day trades, right? These day trades, right? Day trades. So, ladies and gentlemen, very simple, very clear, very easy. This is what we're going to do. Okay, this is what we're going to do. Very simple, very easy. And the other way to do this, ladies and gentlemen, is to use the scanner. Now, the scanner sends you messages that you could trade. For example, right now it sent a message on AUD-CHF on a 5-minute time frame. It sent one on GER30 on a 1-minute time frame. It sent one on a 5-minute time frame USD CAD. So if you come over here and look for USD CAD in your list over here, you put it on the screen and then put it on the 5-minute chart. You'd see, let me go to the end of the screen. You see right here, red, 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 green, red, and this is lined up really nicely. So the candles push up, right? They pushed up, created this order. You now have an opportunity to come in and put in a sell. Ladies and gentlemen, I am so blown away with the system. We get so many trades every day, right? You know, some people, you know, are earning, you know, 100, 200, 500, 600. Some people are earning thousands of dollars per day using the system. So it's a very simple system, easy to use, very user-friendly. And, you know, between the scanner and using this here, ladies and gentlemen, you know, we can do extremely well, right? So we have a great system, a wonderful system. And all you have to do, ladies and gentlemen, is get back to the person who invited you to be on the call. And they're going to guide you to go to this website. You could join us either as an affiliate where you pay $168 to register, or $399. And then if you choose to introduce people to our community, you can earn $500, $1,000, $2,000, $5,000, $10,000, $20,000 in commissions, ladies and gentlemen. Plus, you can also go ahead and just simply buy our technology. You can go ahead and buy our technology, Xtreamfx, all right, $89 a month, $99 a month, $159. And then you could purchase the Safe to Trade technology, which is for $599 once for the year. You pay that every year, once a year, and you can pay $75 a month for the signals. So $599 allows you to have your MetaTrader 4 looking like this one on the screen, where you can get these colors to tell you when to go into a trade. And then $75 a month gives you this scanner that sends you the messages on what you could trade. In addition to that, you could join us in Xtream and learn how to trade by coming to classes. We have videos in our library. We have a lot of information that can help you to become a very successful and consistently profitable trader. So, ladies and gentlemen, my sincerest, heartfelt apologies. I have to cut our presentation short today. Somehow my son missed his school bus, and I'm gonna have to go and pick him up because the school is calling. All right. But normally everything would have gone well with that. But, you know, yesterday, the day before, everything went well. I'm not sure what happened today. So I really appreciate you all showing up. Tomorrow we have another presentation, ladies and gentlemen, 4 o'clock Eastern Standard Time. Also, my YouTube channel, the Wealth Creation Project on YouTube, has several of the videos of previous presentations there as well. You could watch them. And then tomorrow is Thursday. We have a special presentation at 9 a.m. Eastern Standard Time on our YouTube channel. It's called XFX Global LLC. You could write that down, XFX Global LLC, and join us at 9 a.m. Eastern Standard Time, where we're going to be demoing, calling out trades. The master traders will be on using the technology to call out trades, so you can be a part of that. All right. So sorry about the short presentation today, but duty calls, and as of that, I have to go and take care of this. All right. Love you guys. Really appreciate you. Hey, Millie. All right. Thank you very much for showing up. Thank you for being here.
Dr. Harry, can I request you one thing?
Yeah, go ahead.
Yeah, please. We'd like to. We thanks to you for the presentation, and also we want to come always continuous. Can you please speak little bit
Slower.
international English or official English? We are not.
My Jamaican accent kills some of the words, huh?
Yeah, please try to international one we can understand, but if you speak the different pronunciation will be hard.
I understand. Which country are you from originally?
Oh, I'm from East Africa.
Oh, okay. Uganda or Kenya?
No, it's in Ethiopia.
Ethiopia. Oh, wow. All right. So I'll speak slowly next time so that you could understand me. Because I was pressured because of our son. That's why I'm speaking so fast. All right.
Okay. Thank you.
All right. Thank you very much. All right. All right. Just come back tomorrow. I promise you, I'll have a much slower diction and you'll be able to understand the words clearly.
Thank you very much.
You're welcome. All right. All right. Thank you, guys. Please get back to the person who invited to be here. Sorry about the rush. If it wasn't that my son was caught up at school, unable to get onto the bus, so I have to go and pick him up. All right. Okay. Thank you, guys. All right. Bye-bye.